saying to you about when you go round the bend too fast, you've got to imagine there's a tractor that's broken down around the bend.
Yes.
Well, that actually happened this morning. There was a tractor with a burst tyre on its trailer. How much is that one? St. Bouard, did you say?
Hi, Caradon Tyre.
Hi there, so it's John. I think my phone crashed out a second ago. It's just restarted. You're calling through for an update, I think.
Update on...
Guy in Porparo, the car in Porparo, the Kerry Park, yeah.
Yeah, no, he's on his... He should
He's
be
here.
with you now.
I see him. Yeah, I see him, he's cool.
Out of that one,
Yeah, he's quite slick. I was actually quite lucky.
It's only the edge that's gone, isn't it?
Yeah,
It's
pretty
gone
much.
through the wall.
Yeah, I think I clipped hedge the other night, and it sort of just
let it down slowly.
Yeah, there was a bit of an egg on it yesterday, and then it sort of
Blown out.
Everyone said it exploded last night. Apparently, there was a bit of a pop. So that's it.
I like those.
Bloody hell.